Well, it is 4 something in the morning, like 4:20, and we're about to head out. I just want to glance at this pond before we go. I don't know how much it rained while I was asleep. It gained a little bit more. Yeah, it gained a little more. It's almost to the stone here behind the boat. Still not completely full, but wouldn't doubt if it is before the day is done. So that's pretty cool. All right. Here's our chariot. Good morning. No rest.
Just 1 hour, 2 hours. Yes, we're here now in Manila, Terminal 1. So it's a rough flight, but thanks God we made it. And we're waiting for the meter taxi to send us to our hotel.
Man, these people need you to move this.
Sorry, sir. First come, first serve. And ladies first. James' favorite place to shopping. DJI. So currently we are here inside the Mall of Asia and it's raining. And I heard, the taxi driver that sent us here said that there's most of the places here in Manila was already flooding. So what you got again now? What you got?
A Beta root beer from Louisiana.
Wow.
Yeah, I love a Beta root beer. I like a Beta beer also.
Yes. So finally, we already checked in. We've been waiting for a long while. We are so tired and we are ready to get some rest.
We got a ticket spot here and we're about to take a ride up on this Ferris wheel. Yeah, the famous Ferris wheel by Manila Bay right here. We checked out of our hotel, but they are keeping our bags for us, so we'll go back there later and get our bags. So we've been strolling around Manila. Well, I say we've been strolling around the Mall of Asia here, and just spent a lot of time in IKEA. It's a huge IKEA, and it's just so many cool things in there, boy. It was definitely some eye candy in there. Man, they have big full-size cowhides in there too. Crazy. A lot of native-looking product and all. Just all kinds of cool stuff. Of course, Melinda was really drooling. And we hit the mall for a second day in a row. We've hit the mall. We'll probably be back in the mall again because we got a lot of time to kill. Well, here we are. It's loaded something. Now check this out. Each unit has its own little window unit aircon blowing in here. That's pretty cool. Maybe they were having a hard time with people riding before. So now it's all weather. It don't even matter if it's raining. And if it's hot in here, each one has a little aircon. That's pretty neat. It's one way to keep the business going, huh?
Yes.
Well, we're heading up.
So I'm just wondering how many rounds.
I'm sure just one round over. Well, how many rounds do you like?
2 rounds. Yeah, because I never seen someone and I think just one ride.
I scared her just by me standing up in here. It scared her. Okay, so here we are. Man, you can see it up here on top of SM Mall of Asia. Wow, I didn't know they had all of that stuff up there on top. Never walked out there to it. Lots of levels of different things there. I'm gonna have to investigate that sometime. Looks like they're doing a lot of work up there right now. You can see Manila in the background. Manila in the background, and then here's out here where they're doing this reclamation, building these man-made islands. Working on it, gonna be like 400 and something hectares. It'd be close to 1,000 US acres. Just on one project only. So here we are, we're coming over the top right now. We're peaking. Yeah, peeking over. Pretty cool.
I'm gonna, my heart is gonna.
It's got you, huh?
Yeah, moving.
I hope the floor's in good shape.
Take a seat lang.
Here, look at me right now.
I'm okay when you sit though. I'm kinda.
Well, what I'm doing is getting pictures of you, Mel. Look up. That is so cool. So we went over the peak. Just enjoying life. I want you to stand up right here real quick. This side. We're okay. Oh, that's so funny. She's scared to move. She's scared to just stand up. Come on, baby. You can do it.
No way.
You're tough enough. You're tough enough. Come on. I'll stand on the other side. There you go.
You know.
Look at her. She's scared to get up. Oh, my God. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Now, wow. You be kicking it in them jeans, girl. All right. Now turn around and give me a good look. Now the terrified look.
Now, you know, just sit.
Oh, stand back up. I didn't get it. I hit the wrong button.
My gosh, you know, it just.
Come on, hit it good. There you go. Isn't that funny? Just for her to get up on her feet scares her like that.
Well, I just hate to move, you know, I just want steady.
So you wouldn't like it if I rocked this thing, huh?
Yeah, when I see
I would get off here and you'd be in a very grouchy mood, huh? You'll get over it. You'll get over it. I'm gonna rock it. Let's see if we can make it flip all the way over once.
Yeah, we're not there even the top anyway.
So see, you don't have as far to fall now.
Yeah. Yeah, I did it. No, it's not. I'm not scared not to move it. Earlier I was the only one
That's so funny. You got out of that seat and scooted across the floor and got in this side. It's so funny. Well, here we're about done.
I watched some video like in China. We cannot even picture there together.
It's all right. Good times. All right, everybody. Just a little fun moment here. Yeah, got to get out and love life.